This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default download destination in the Zen browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Zen browser opened up now. To change your default download destination, it's very easy to do. You want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to make sure that you're on the General tab. And then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the Files and Applications section, and right here, Downloads. It saves the files to, by default, it should be set to your download folder, but you can go off to the right and you can click on Browse. A little dialog box will pop open. From here you can change your download destination. Say that I wanted to put mine on my desktop. I'm going to click on Desktop. Then I'm going to go down to the lower right hand corner of that dialog box and I'm going to click on Select Folder. Now as you can see, my download destination has been changed to the desktop. That is how to change your default download destination in the Zen browser. Thanks for watching.